If you can find it.
What?
That sounds creepy. I don't like this. Oh God.
That's not fair. He got help.
Strobe light. This is scary stuff.
Okay, guys, buddy system. Everyone take a hand.
No, I'm good.
So that's that shit right there.
Trash can.
Alright, guys, let's roll out.
We got this. You ain't down.
This is like literally me harder.
Oh, shit.
We're safe.
Now remember, creepy.
Because I feel like it, Kevin. Wait.
Oh, oh, snap. Someone does need to go down to the bottom of the theater. Because I threw 2 booster seats down there.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I need to go.